Oh, is that a shark?
No, that was the dolphin.
Oh my God. That is a huge snook. I think he's got it. I think he's got it. I think he's got it. Got him. Got him. Oh. Oh yeah. This is a nice one. Come on. Get some ground on him. There we go. That's a nice trout right there. Holy cow, look at this thing. We're gonna measure him up. That trout sickle right there, man. That color. I just got slammed on that color today, guys. That doesn't say something. Oh, that's a tarpon. What's up, guys? Chris from Cast. So I forgot to do an intro this morning. I got out in the water and we just started really fishing, started having fun. I completely forgot to do the intro. So I'm doing it now. Pretty much I went out with an old friend, Eric, and we used to work together a long time ago, and we've just always kind of kept in touch a little bit. So he invited me out on his boat, so we went out on his boat. That boat gets really shallow. That was a nice boat. I really liked being on that boat. We got in some really skinny spots, but we went on the boat today. We did some wade fishing, and you know, we got into some nice fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out here, enjoy the footage that we took today, and I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, it is. It's a nice little boat, dude. Honestly.
Yeah,
it gets you where you need to go.
Yeah, it does everything I needed to do.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Not a bad one though. Right there where he hit it. Right there, yeah. There you go. Looks like it looks decent. I wonder if you didn't hook into a red.
Trout.
Yeah, trout. It's a nice trout. You want lip grips? That's a nice trout.
It is a nice trout. Holy cow. Alright, you want to pop off, you can. Alright, let me drop you in. That's the only thing. I wish I had like a little thing on my...
A holder, yeah.
Right on my side.
Yeah.
We'll let him go. You got your pliers, actually?
Yep.
Actually?
I think it'll just come out.
Yeah, it will.
Alright. That's a nice one right there. It's a real nice one.
It's a big old mouth on him. He was definitely a keeper.
Oh yeah. There you go. Another trout.
Ladyfish. I never seen it go. I might be. I just bodied him.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he hit it and missed it and got cooked.
Pretty slimy.
Yeah, they're the slimiest fish. They're the hardest ones to measure too. Like whenever I'm doing them for the tournament.
There's a little guy. Missed it. Not enough. Didn't miss it enough.
One on the mangroves. I was throwing over there. I don't know. Snook or a red, I think. I feel a lot of head shake.
Yeah. I was gonna say that. Especially if this water's been already looking at that.
I think it's a red, yeah.
I was gonna say this tide's moving up there. I bet you they're moving away too.
Yeah, that's a nice one. It's not too bad actually. Holy cow. Yeah. It's not a bad one.
No, not at all.
Oh, he's hooked twice. Oh, there you go. Yeah, if you don't mind, I'd go ahead and get these lures out. This one might put his
Was
pop
the
up.
first cast over there too?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think
I didn't even have time for it to land.
I noticed that tree branch has got a little bit.
There he goes. You just jump out of the water like a snook. Alright. We just switched to paddle tails.
What are you throwing? What
Slam Shady.
I wanted to.
Well, I got some extras if you end up wanting to.
Definitely got it. I got 3 inches, 5 inches. Usually don't throw much 5 inch.
I rarely throw 5-inch.
Off the Slam Shady, just has a little different.
No, and that's how I feel about the beer run too. It's not too far off.
Yeah, I throw that on my side.
Yeah.
Because on the boat. Oh, thanks, dude. Thanks.
Oh, whack it. Huh? 1/8 ounce, yeah. I usually go between 3/16 and 8. I've been throwing 1/8 just because last time I went out was such a low tide that I put on the lighter one. Hooked up too? Dang, we doubled up. Nice. Alright.
I don't think that was a trap.
No?
You see him jumping out of the water?
I was looking down when he jumped.
He was jumping. It might have been lady.
Oh, these things splash so much. Usually just when I'm fishing deeper with this, I just let it fall a little bit longer.
The 8 ounce?
Huh?
With the 8 ounce?
Yeah. Oh, that feels a little bit bigger. Oh, you're hooked up too. Oh yeah, this is a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yeah, that one's definitely bigger. Nice.
It's a thick handful, I'll say that.
Yeah. They've been thick though. These trout we've been catching are, yeah, they're on some good bait.
Yeah, I think that's why right after the storm I was getting all those fish, because the bait were gone.
Yeah.
So they were like every time. Every time.
There's a bunch of ladyfish out there. Look at them all out there.
Oh yeah.
See them way out there?
Or Jack.
Or Jack, yeah.
That'd be sick.
Once we...
Honestly, it's probably Jack. You know why?
Why?
I don't see a bird.
Very true. That's very true.
They'll work their way this way. I don't know. I might have just seen a little lady jump out though. But they're eating something, so the bait's probably working. But usually, if you see a bunch of ladies out here, it's bird crazy.
Yeah.
I'll have to throw my son in there and just have him cast away.
Yep. They love it. Dude, they love it.
They don't. It's that speed move,
There you go. Lady.
Fall off. I'll take it.
There he goes. There you go. He hit it right there on the other edge of the...
Yeah, that one on the camera.
Yeah.
I don't see now, guys, because it's soaked. He's splashing all out of it. I know. Alright, Stanley. Let's just grab this. The little ones are even harder to grab.
Yep. They're slimy and they splash around way too much. Oh, that seemed that
good. He was
that,
pulling me out.
that was nice.
Felt weird. That was I didn't see the color.
No.
I know, you're gonna be a pain. Thank you, buddy.
I knew that felt weird. There you go.
That's a trap.
That's not what was. Yeah, I seen what you were talking about.
They move. They're running.
I wonder if they'll work it back and forth a little bit. Oh. Oh, what the heck? That's probably what just had me then. I've got some really big ladies out here. Some like 3-foot ladies.
Trying to help you out.
I thought about putting a little Miradino on, but I like working with these soft plastics. I love paddle tail. It's like my favorite thing to throw.
Oh yeah, me too. I just hate. That's the one thing I hate about out here
is the puffer fish. Yeah.
The puffers out in the brackets. They are, but they're not.
Not as bad. Yeah. There it goes.
Oh,
they're all over these flats. Yeah. They're
buddies, and they're just.
Yep.
Yeah.
That feels like a red.
Yeah, definitely. Double up right there.
That'd be awesome. I'm saying we've been seeing these tails over here. I don't even think he just, I don't even think that's a nice one. Bigger than the last one, it feels. Try to keep him this way. I don't want him to go that way anymore. I might end up making the paddle to come all the way over here if they're stacked like this. It definitely looks a lot bigger. Yeah. I'll keep you over here. Yeah, I'm about to. Get him right there real quick. Yeah. Open up that mouth. You see him? I figured they'd be schooling. Yeah. Alright. That red right there. About the same size. Look, someone tried to bite his tail. That's crazy.
You want to snap a video of you real quick?
If you want, yeah. Go ahead. All right.
At least you can get a good.
Yeah.
You'll teach me.
He's about 20 inches or so. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at him.
Yeah.
Sick.
All right.
You say I just did a video on you.
Yep. What's cool is
right here.
there you go.
They're all. You had 2 following them.
I figured there'd be a couple of them with him.
We've seen them.
Yeah. It's in yellow, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice trout. There's definitely some quality fish over here. I'm liking it. I might just make that paddle over. It's gonna be a long one, but I might just make it over. I've done it once and it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I look at it as it's really good exercise for me.
Over a dozen trout.
Oh, yeah. Right there, see?
Oh, okay.
It's just a nice trout. That's a big trout.
That is a big trout.
I knew by the way he was hitting. I can't believe he came back for it that many times. Oh yeah, that's a big trout.
I hope that sucker out. If.
All right. Don't want to drop him. Yeah. It's a nice one.
That's a nice one right there.
Yeah.
His tail looked like he had a big wide tail.
Yeah, it was thick too, man.
The top wasn't as big as the other one, but his tail.
It's gotta be a red or a snook. Yep, red. Hey, it's a red. It's a red.
I got bumped. I was like, I know something. Hurry up and get out there. Look at his blue tail.
I love that.
Look how blue his tail is. Okay.
Let me hold your pole.
Yeah, slimy.
Nice,
That's
nice.
blue there.
Yeah.
That side. Oh, they're both. That's blue.
That's nice. Yeah, that's a really good color.
Matches your shirt. You can't see your shirt, but...
There it goes. Oh, you got your red. Now we both need a snook. Yeah.
Yeah, he was there.
Loaded with trout. And they're not bad size either.
Oh, you got wrapped up. That's why you were shaking like that. I know. Bye, you little leopard.
Trout. Oh, there he goes.
Quick release. Maybe a 5-inch.
I thought about trying one.
Why not? Let them use them. You got a 5-inch 6.
Yeah, he choked down.
Swallowed that thing?
Yeah. Oh, it's at the roof of his mouth, it looks
You
like.
got the paddle tail again?
No, this is a
Really,
that jerk
huh?
shad. Yeah. Let's see. What the heck? It's not in there deep, it's just. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, jerk shad. Huh?
That's behind you.
Alright. Definitely wanted to choke it more. Yeah.
It's wild.
These guys are small. That's gonna say what, 8 inches?
I'm tired of this right now.
Huh, that's too damn bad.
Oh, it's a fucking snapper.
Oh.
Like a cuda. I was like, dang, the color. I just thought it was that this was his head. You caught a snapper on a paddlefish?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Once I almost limited out in my Acca on a Meridine. It's not coming up. You ever caught a snapper on a paddle? Back-to-back snappers on Battledale. Eric got a snook. He got it. I'm going to get my lure. No, it's not that bad. I got a ladyfish. I quit. There you go, doubled up. Got a little snooky.
Spot switch. Keep your head up. I don't want you praying nothing.
Should in theory be another one over there.
Perfect too, right?
That's what mine was. Mine was perfect hook set.
Spin it. Okay, I've seen you. I'm not searching for that.
Oh, there he goes. No fray yet either. That's good. Another one. They're stacked on this corner right here.
They are. I think they're off this. They're even far off there. Someone's hitting over here.
Spring Lake, yeah, I've dropped in.
Go right over to the cutoff, which is, we're talking, I got a 5-minute ride to where I'm fishing. I'm just do that whole cutoff, which is all about this deep. It's all about.
Yeah, so I've launched at that other kayak launch. Yeah. Feels like a little jack, yeah.
Good call.
Calm down, buddy. A little snook.
I don't think it's a snook. I seen gills though.
I seen gills, yeah. Is that Cuda? No, it's not.
Maybe lightest snook I've ever seen.
Yeah, on the bottom it came up. It almost looked like a barracuda.
He barely even had a black stripe.
Yeah.
That's the fun part about fishing too. You don't even know, like right now, I catch another, and then all of a sudden something just whacks.
Yeah.
You're like,
You're just over here talking, just bullshitting, and then boom.
Your whole day, you're like, holy shit.
That's what we used to do when I was in high school. We'd go and, you know.
Come on.
Oh! Is that a shark?
No, that was the dolphin. No, give it back.
I think the dolphin's over there. I think that was a shark, dude. It looked like a shark.
It looked like a shark?
Yeah, because the dolphin's over here still. I think that was a shark. I got that on film. So I'll go back and watch it, but it looked like a shark.
You right under them, right?
Huh? Yeah, you're good. Oh, oh, oh. There it is. I don't know what it is. It's pulling pretty good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You on too?
Jack.
Is it Jack?
Or is it lady?
Mine's not shaking that good.
Mine is.
Yeah. Oh, yep, Jack.
I said I hope it's Jack. Mine. Oh, no.
Get away. Yeah, double up on Jack's. Mine's bleeding.
How we
No, mine's gushing.
I got these off. Cast that then. Had a little fun real quick.
Yeah, mine's gushing. I don't even know how. He's not even hooked deep.
Well, he's probably going to be food in a second.
Yeah. Yeah. Mine's what? He just took off like it was good. It's bigger than what we've been catching though.
Oh no, buddy. Oh, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Run, buddy. You're not as big as I thought you were.
Yeah. Another snook.
Another snook. Oh, he's right there?
Yeah, he was right in front of the boat. Yeah.
That's how your horse would have put.
Alright right, guys, that's the end of the video. So it was a great day out there on the boat. You know, I haven't seen Eric in quite a while, and like I said, he invited me to go out fishing with him, so I decided to go out today with him, and we had a really good day. You know, I caught 2 reds, he got a red, we both slammed. I double slammed. I mean, he caught a bunch of snook, I caught a few snook, and we caught a bunch of trout. I mean, we even got a few bycatches, some ladyfish, some jack, but it was all in all a really good day out there. I mean, that boat was a really nice boat to be on. It goes really shallow, which I love. I love fishing shallow. So like I said, we wade fished some, fished from the boat some. I mean, it was all in all a really good day. He got a GoPro for himself. Said he's gonna start making some videos. He likes hunting and stuff like that. So as soon as I get the name of his channel, I will drop a link in this description, or I'll put it out in one of my other videos. That way you guys can go check it out. He's a really good angler. I know he definitely can fish pretty good. So yeah, whenever he gets his channel up and going and starts editing videos, you guys go check out his channel. And like I said, I'll put in one of my videos. That way you guys can go ahead and check it out. But it was a really fun day out there. So I found out that Boca finally did open. So I'm really excited about that. So Monday, I'm definitely going to 19th Street. I'm gonna go check it out, see what all got damaged, see how the launch is, see if the fish is still there. And honestly, with the quality of fish we caught today, I might make that paddle and go all the way to Bulls Bay. It's gonna be a really long paddle, but I've done it before, and if the quality of the fish isn't that good, I'll probably end up making that long paddle over to Bulls Bay for the tournament. But I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Like I said, Monday I'm gonna go check it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification down at the bottom. And remember, guys, there's always time for one more cast. I will see you later.